Welcome back, my dear friend. And in this great lesson, we are going to tell you about personal branding on social media, what you need to do and what you do not to do. So that is most important thing because so many people's starting on social media accounts, but they don't know what is clearly do and what do not. So I have create some few elements on here, few topics. So first of all, we are going to explain don't need to do on social media. Mistake personal brand as a sales pitch. If you understand, if you building your personal branding on social media and you understand it is your sales pitch, it is completely wrong. You just treat your personal brand as a leader which you drive value to your audience. After then you can create a funnel and you can sell anything. And next thing, don't focus on the numbers of follower you have. Create engage content and follow will come authenticity. It means if you have a 50 follower or 50 no, 5 million follower, no matter, you create a quality content if you have any single followers. Understand? If you have 50 followers, you create a quality and great content, and if you achieve and you will get 15 million follower, also you can create quality content. Okay, so I hope you understand this topic. And only post about your product and services. Yeah, this is not true. If you providing don't do this. If you selling your services again and again, you don't have provide any value, then your audience just ignore you and your account, everything. So please don't do. And overshare, spam and followers quality over quantity. Please, this keep in mind, do not share any kind of fake information, fake like loyalty. Like if you belong in affiliate marketing niche, then I see so many people sharing earning screenshot, but complete that earning shot completely fake. So you don't do. You provide just a value to your life experience, like something. Then your audience notice you and they will buy from you anything, anytime if you uh, funnelize your audience. Okay, so don't do this. Ignore comment and message, never, because if someone commenting to your post, to your uh, community, you should reply them because they want their answer. So please don't do it. If you ignoring, then your audience again never comment. Okay. And overthinking it, don't think overthinking. Every person which you follow, they have desires, they have emotions, they have a family, and they want to become. So you just treat like your brother, your family member. Do not like overthink. Okay. And let's move and what you need to do. First of all, committed to your niche. And I'm already explained many times. You post only your according to your niche content. Like if you belong, if you're interested to teaching a language like English, if you want to teach English, you can post English related tips and tricks to your social media account. Do not post any weight loss like something if you do not belong that niche. Okay. And set clear goal, what you want to achieve and what you want to do for your audience. Set clear goal and share value. I think I have already explained you how you can share value, like something. Share only valuable content to your audience, where your audience are engaging more than more and commenting to your post. And be attentional. Okay. And get confidence in front of camera. If you able to face front of camera, you just go and create little bit short video about how uh, about your niche, about your topics which niche you follow. Like if you follow plate marketing niche, then create just your pick up your phone selfie mode and start camera and recording. Hey man, hey boys and girl, I would like to share you some quick tips about affiliate marketing. So please grab pens and paper and note down. I will share with you 5 simple tricks to achieving affiliate marketing success. And if you have and just you start down to explaining like something. This is a little bit script and idea. You can start now. And integrate your brand into everything post. It means if you have your website, your content, your voice, your image, just post on social media. It is really important. And next thing, make sure your profile are consistent and appear professional. Use the same hustle handles, photo and bio link. It means you use always professional image, because so many followers have you will get which is very professional. So if they don't if you do not seem professional, then they cannot follow you. So please be mind. And establish your target audience. Choose out. It means if you got your audience, then you need to establish for a do not have your multiple accounts, because your audience want to know in one way, in one place. So you keep remember and you should follow it. And have a consistent posting schedule. Yes, this is important. And join a LinkedIn group related to your practice. Yes, this is important. Follow your competitor. This is a competitor. This is very most important. Follow your competition is very most important, and you can follow now. So I have explained what you do and what you do not to do, and this is most important thing you should keep in mind before starting your social media account. So I hope you understand, and thanks for watching this great lesson, and we will meet you another lesson. Thank you.